Whooping cough, or pertussis, is a highly contagious bacterial infection that affects the lungs and airways, causing severe, uncontrollable coughing fits. It's caused by the bacterium Bordetella pertussis, which spreads through coughing, sneezing, or close contact with an infected person. Whooping cough can affect people of all ages, but it's especially dangerous for babies who haven't been fully vaccinated, as it can lead to serious complications like pneumonia, brain damage, or even death. The disease develops in 3 stages. The first stage starts like a common cold, with mild coughing, a runny nose, sneezing, and sometimes a low fever. After about 1 to 2 weeks, the second stage begins, which is the most severe. Violent, rapid coughing fits occur, making it hard to breathe. After a fit, a person may gasp for air, making a loud whooping sound, though not everyone experiences this classic symptom. The coughing can be so intense that it leads to vomiting, exhaustion, or broken blood vessels in the eyes. This stage can last several weeks. In the third stage, the cough gradually improves, but symptoms can linger for months, leading to the nickname, the 100-day cough. Infants are at the highest risk because their airways are smaller, and they may not cough forcefully enough to clear mucus, leading to trouble breathing. Some babies turn blue or stop breathing altogether, requiring emergency medical care. Treatment usually involves antibiotics like azithromycin, which can help reduce the spread of the infection, though they don't immediately stop the cough. In severe cases, especially for infants, hospitalization may be needed for oxygen support, suctioning mucus, or even for fluids if they can't eat due to coughing fits. The best way to prevent whooping cough is through vaccination. The DTaP vaccine protects infants and young children, while the TDAP booster is recommended for teens, adults, and pregnant women to help protect newborns. Since immunity fades over time, adults should get a TDAP booster every 10 years to stay protected. Whooping cough can last for weeks or even months, and even after recovery, a person may still have lingering coughing episodes for a while. If someone has severe coughing fits, trouble breathing, or vomiting after coughing, they should see a doctor immediately. While whooping cough can be serious, early diagnosis, treatment, and vaccination can help protect people from this long-lasting and exhausting illness.